What is up everyone, I'm Mike and welcome back to the ICO Investor channel, and today we are going to talk about another high potential project called Etoro, a social trading platform. But before we start, please notice our disclaimer since I'm not a financial advisor, so this video is for informational and educational purposes only. So without further ado, let's begin. With Etoro, you can trade with confidence on the world's leading definitely social trading platform. Join millions who've already discovered smarter investing by automatically copying the leading traders in our community, or basically get copied yourself to really earn a basically second income. Invest better together. With the world's leading trading and investing community, share strategies and invest together with over 20 million users worldwide. Enjoy 0% commission on local and global stocks. Buy in bulk or just a fraction. You can choose an investment product to get started. Stocks and ETFs. If you use Etoro, your stocks will be at 100% and 0% commission. Open a free stock investing account with Etoro and set yourself free of commission. On Etoro, the advantages of buying stocks don't end with pricing. There are also no limits on commission-free trades, and you can buy fractional shares. Zero commission means that no broker fee will be charged when opening or closing the position, and does not apply to short or leveraged positions. Other fees apply, including FX fees on non-USD deposits and withdrawals. How to buy stocks without paying commission. Log into your account, make your first deposit, as low as $50, choose any stock and click trade, choose buy and enter your amount, and that's it, you just bought a stock without any commission. An easier way to buy crypto, trusted by millions, PayPal and credit cards, trading tools, trade leading cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, and more. Etoro provides investors, from beginners to experts, with a comprehensive crypto trading experience on a powerful yet user-friendly platform. Build your ultimate crypto portfolio, trade a wide variety of leading cryptocurrencies and crypto crosses. Follow each coin's trends with advanced charts and analysis tools. Create a custom watch list and stay informed with real-time updates. Staking service. Grow your crypto while you HODL. Never trade crypto alone. Etoro is much more than just a place to trade. Use award-winning social trading features to connect with over 20 million users worldwide and find top-performing crypto traders to copy with CopyTrader. If you are a new trader to Etoro, you can just replicate the trading strategies of top-performing traders on Etoro. Copy trading. Trade like Etoro's top traders. CopyTrader, Etoro's most popular feature, allows you to view what real traders are doing in real time and copy their trading automatically. When they trade, you trade. Whether you're a beginner learning the basics, or you simply don't have time to watch the markets, now it's easy to leverage other traders' expertise. With Etoro's CopyTrader, you can automatically copy top-performing traders, instantly replicating their trading in your own portfolio. Top traders work for you without management fees. Sign up for Etoro and start copying other traders at no extra charge. There are no management fees or other hidden costs involved. The traders you copy get paid directly as part of our popular investor program. Not just a copy trading platform, but a community. For those looking to improve their trading, Etoro offers so much more than just a copy trading platform. You'll be joining a leading collaborative community of traders and investors, a place to connect, share, and learn. View millions of other traders' portfolios, stats, risk scores, and more. Chat with them, discuss strategies, and benefit from their knowledge. Trade and invest on top stocks and ETFs. Trade currency pairs, indices, and commodities via CFDs. Investing in the financial markets has never been easier. Over 361,492,203, and still increasing trades were opened on Etoro today. Join and start trading. The advantages of buying stocks on Etoro don't end with pricing. Listed below are just a few of the benefits that await you. No limit on trading volume, buy fractional shares, receive notifications on volatility and market events, free access to TipRank's expert stock analysis and price targets. Invest in the brands you love. Whether you're a tech genius, a fashion fanatic, or a brewery buff, why not invest in the companies that interest you? With over 1,000 stocks and shares to invest in, it's easy to invest in the brands that you know and love. Join Social Trading Revolution, connect with other traders, discuss trading strategies, and use our pretend CopyTrader technology to automatically copy their trading portfolio performance. There were 83% average yearly profit of our 50 most copied traders for 2021. Explore an ever-expanding variety of cryptocurrencies, and buy and sell the underlying asset on Etoro's cryptocurrency trading platform. Build your crypto-based portfolio, and enjoy benefits not offered by most exchanges, such as near-immediate execution of market orders. Here were our popular investors on Etoro. These people were popular in their trading strategies on Etoro, and they trust Etoro more than any social trading platforms. And because Etoro was a global leader of social trading over 140 countries, we are only as good as our clients say we are. On Etoro, here is where our users give us their feedbacks on our social trading platform. They say it was the best social trading platform, and many more opinions. Etoro is the global leader of social trading. Discover why millions of our users from over 140 countries choose to trade with Etoro well. The Etoro, our company, is regulated by the FCA and SEC. Security. Your funds are protected by industry-leading security protocols. Privacy. We will never share your private data without your permission. Etoro makes sure that your personal accounts were safe and authorized only by you. And now let's go visit the Etoro's Twitter page. The first earnings of season of 2022 is here. Why are earnings important? Who's kicking off? Etoro joined Twitter on March 2009 and has 317.2k followers. And that's all for Etoro. Come visit our channel, subscribe for more on ICO Investor channel. Thank you for watching.